that our dear Amara husband, she was given here. There you go, you told everybody, and since it's Amara. Did you enjoy that? Are you happy that you are part of Amara's world? Yeah! Well, that's great.
Amara, happy happy birthday, my love. Ang wish lang ni Mommy for you, siguro nandiyan mo lang yung days mo with me. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng, di ba? Yung may sarili na siyang lakad. Gusto namin ma-cherish namin yung moments niya together while she's a toddler until she grows up until 9, 10, 11, 12. Kasi pag mga teenager na siya, pag nasa puso may sarili na siyang lakad. And syempre, matupad niya yung mga dreams niya. We will not hinder kung ano man yung gusto niya, maging choice niya sa life niya, and all we will support her in everything. We wish you the ma-achieve mo yung mga gusto mo talaga sa buhay. May you be surrounded with godly and kind friends talaga, kind-hearted friends. Kasi yun yung importante, yung maging support mo, maging maganda yung mga nakapaligid sa'yo. Just like yung mga tao nandito ngayon, I am so blessed to have all of you. Thank you so much. Kayo din yung kakalaki namin ng Mara, and seeing all your faces, kampante ako na kayo yung mga mag-support sa amin ni Amara. I love you all.
Amen.
We love our baby Amara. Thank you.
Papa John! Papa John, go! We love you, Papa John!
Sana always maging God-fearing siya. And then, lagi niyang respect yung parents niya. Miss Sarah, Daddy Diggs, Papa John, and then respect din for Lolo and Lola. And of course, and happy siya. Tsaka yung sa mga yata. Yamara.
Ano yun?
Nakasaya kanina. Sorry po, daughter Mar. Birthday to you and thank you for coming to our life. You became our hope, our joy, you and your sister, and we all love you so much. I just wish that you would grow up and si Lord ang iyong center, and us parents will be guiding you the way how our parents guided us, our moms, the Tayomi, Mama Tess, our dad, Papa Arky, and and also sana makikang mapagmahal sa kapwa, and lagi mo tatandaan, lagi kami nandito, cooperating with you, cooperating for you, and we will do everything para sa iyo.
Wow, that was so heartwarming. And now this is the perfect time for us to count from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amara, blow your candle. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Blow your candle. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Everybody shout, happy birthday, Amara.
Just
Without everyone in here, including the staff, our guests, our visitors, our suppliers, each and every one of you, we are so grateful and honored that you are part of this celebration. We love you so much, and no doubt we will be okay because of all of your love and support.
Picture mo kayo, sir.
Yung mga galing pang Manila, galing sa iba-ibang lugar, we appreciate all of you. Maraming salamat talaga for being here. It means a lot to me, to Amara, and to Daddy Vince. Sobrang, yung mga tao nandito ngayon, hindi ko kayo kakalimutan. Maalala din kayo ni Amara every birthday, every pastor. Kaya po, I hope you enjoy the rest of the night, the rest of the day with us. And we have a peaceful Holy Week to everyone. God bless you and your families. Po, maraming salamat. Have a good night. Clap your hands and applause. Not only for Amara, but also for you. So now, may I ask po, lahat po ba nag-enjoy for today? Yes! Congratulations, Mommy and Daddy. Once again, this has been your host, Miss Rachel.
So, hi guys. Ayun, tapos na yung birthday ni Amara. Pauwi na kami.
Yeah. So, may mga agenda pa kaming ginawa kasi they need small help. So, we help.
Ano?
Ganda ko pa rin hanggang pag
Si tita ko nandun sa sasakyan. So, kami may inasikaso.
Pagoda na. Ayun, babalik pa kami ng Manila, guys. So, di namin alam kung anong oras kami mabalik. So, abangan nyo ulit ang pagbalik namin ng Manila. Bye!
The next day.
Wow, ang laki niya na. Kanino kaya galing yan?
Parang alam ba?
Kanino kaya galing yun? Ang laki nun Naku, mapupuno yung bahay mo.
Actually.
Naku, ang daming gift ni Amara. Kinuha na ni Mami Sars kasi tomorrow, unboxing sila sa YouTube channel ni Mami Sars. Abangan nyo ha, yung mga Team Sara dyan. Naku, huwag kalimutan.
Bakit yung mga pangalan?
Hindi, sa loob meron. Yan, meron niya sa loob. Yung dala namin yan. Bigay yan ng Team Sara newbie. Oo, yun. Ayan na ha, nakay Sara na yung gift nyo. Kasi dinala yan dito. Wala, gusot-gusot na. Hindi, yung parang miniso.
Ito.
Yan. So, mag-unboxing ang Mami Sara bukas. Tandaan nyo abangan nyo. With Daddy Vince! Andyan na si Amara bukas?
Yes.
Andyan na si Amara. Abangan natin. See ya, guys!